Hi guys, and today we're just opening some packs. I've just got 97 seller. I'm going to open some special packs. And I'm going to do the icon moments pack. And hopefully it's something good. Oh, if this is, yeah, Vardy. I've got him like 4 or 5 times. Ridiculous, man. Literally, look. Let me see if I go off there. Go to my cards, go on duplicates. Where is he? There. Vardy 4 times. Christ, what are these sell by? 2.6 mil now. Oh, that's nice. Is there any SBCs available? No, there isn't. What's happening? Like the top left corner, it's like put my glitch in. Squad. Like screen just squad. What's this? Team the week, right? PC once. I don't got any. Stop. There we go. PC. I've got any actually. Oh, shut. Oh, yes. Yes. No, just team of the week. Team of the week. Probably Premier League. No, Premier League, I'd say. Oh. What happened there? Hey! This is what pees me right off. Don't want a birthday card. Hey, this is peeing me right off. This phone, man. You know what? I need a centre back. Got a few pinks away. Centre back, Premier League. Oh, actually, that would do. That will actually do. Right. What was on this? We say right. No, what was on the page? Wasn't. Boo-doo-doo-doo. Eh? What I did? Bit of fun's probably. Boo-doo-doo. No, I'll give up. I give up. this needs to be Premier League. No, wait. No. I think I could, you know. I need another. You okay? Oh no, I won't do anything. No. Someone go, come on. It's cool, no. I ain't got no team of the weeks. So I need more team of the weeks box. Someone got to be. Hey, I'll do another one. Extra squad. Italian. Oh, it's not even a team of the season, man. My luck's just getting worse and worse. I'm just gonna go straight to 2 mil. So I've got about 5. No, I've only got 4. What am I lose? I've only got 4. Well, I don't know. Can't think. Why isn't it? Oh. 5 or 6. 87. Brazil, come on, left wing, come on. No! No! 91 still got. Oh. Brazil, Howie. Left wing. No! Not even that. Don't want Maicon. What his name is. I don't know what his name is. Maicon? Dybala. I don't want a Dybala. It's not even a Dybala. Dybala, I mean, sorry. A Brunanot. Well, whatever. Irrelevant. Please. Oh man. It's Jamaican. Right. You know, let's just come. Oh, oh baby, 90. Feedback. Oh, well then. Oh, what's that? Oh. Only got 1,200 train. Well, that's it. That's not even anyone good, man. Use your Figo. I don't want them. Well, actually, Nick Field's not bad. There's only roads on time. Come on. Oh, it was in big parks, sorry. Dybala. Yeah, it's nice. I'm looking at feedbacks, come board. 2 walkouts. It's an icon. Oh no, what was an icon there? Could you imagine? 9 icons. Poor. Lollies. Team of the week. 89. Oh, could you imagine team of the year? Oh, it's... Oh. Come on. Oh. I am at 96. Whoa. Whoa, look at that park. That's crazy, that. I don't want the 96, I want the 98. Oh my god. Team of the year. Hurry. Oh, Fernandinho. 87. Oh, isn't it Casemiro. Hey, these packs have been decent, you know. Quite decent. Son. Actually, I think it's like the 90. It's not like a 93 or 94 Son. I'm sure it is. Oh, he's new though. Come on, icon, please. Icon? Oh. This big pack is over. I'll do an advert as well. But if this isn't over at 90 rated in the 2 packs, then I'll do a face reveal in a few days. $85, one more. Is it? Oh, nutty. Hey, since I'm generous, I'm gonna open 2 of these. I'm gonna have to go for the highest, but it has to be over 91 or plus. Well, over 91. $95. There you go. I'll do a face reveal in a few days. I've got some champions. I think I've got all of them actually. I think I have. Ramsey. Oh. Bale. He's 7. It's like UCL, isn't it? It's not. I'm going to just do 2 or 3 more. What team season? I didn't see that. 85. Oh, someone big, man. Oh, I do number 4. And then that's gonna be it for.
State of Survival. Play now.
State of Survival. Play now. Shop. Oh, I give up. I honestly give up. Give up. Don't want Kimmich. Oh, Kuz. Howie. Oh no, where is it? 93. I have it on 94. Right. I'll do one more and then it'll be a free pack and that's gonna be it. Oh my god. Oh, it's not even icon, I don't think. Oh, no, what's his name? Oh, what's his name? No. Akala. I haven't really had anyone good. Is this Morris? Yes! Come on. I've had 97 Salah and 95 Morris. Oh, and Vardy. May as well. Where's Vardy? Sell. And I've got, if I get that, I think, no. Eh? Says I've got 0 money? How? Oh. What happened there? Hold on, 187. Bruno Fernandes. Oh, 85 again. Come on. One more. Hurry. Come on. Oh, man. Why? I want Ibrahimovic. Oh, where is it? Alan here. I might do some trading for a bit. I've got kind of oh, that's actually pretty decent. Hey, that's actually quite decent. Brilliant. Oh, you know what? I really can't be bored. Why have I just done that? Whoa, I've got like 4 mil. Okay. We'll go back in the lightning round. $87. I'll go down to female and then that's it. I've been seeing it for a while, but this is it. I don't want 92. What? How's decent back? Oh, did I delete him? Oh, I could have got free. It's a magic thing. You do a nose pack, and it gets you a good card. You're watching. I'm gonna do a nose pack. Takes 1 or 2 attempts. That's it. Nose pack. Alright, this is the second attempt. If not, it's probably this last one. Oh, it's normally good. One more. Nose pack. See? Oh my god, it's gonna be Nemo. Oh, it's 94, 95 Paulino. See what I mean? That's a good pack. Takes up to 3 goes. I'll do it again. Nose pack. Oh, so got 2 goes. Nose back. See what I mean? Oh, Spain. Ooh, Ramos. Oh, it's a sting. Luis Perez. Got one more attempt. Nose pack. That wasn't a nose pack. That was a finger pack. I have to do a nose pack again. He was better than a nose pack though. An elbow pack. See what I mean? Left, Howie. Oh, no. 91, that's decent. 3 attempts at elbow pack. Oh, one more. No. I'll give up. Free pack and that's it. Stick of survival. Play in the hole. Last pack of the night, Howie. Cruise. Oh, Humes. Almost. Yes. Hey, that's alright, that. Maybe just do one more. Maybe I'll do one more. Oh, I want like a 97 or plus. This is a good one, isn't it? No, it isn't. Oh, it is. It's Wizzy. 94. Get in. May as well go down to 2 million. Oh, yeah, Mbappe. Could be 93. Oh, no, it isn't. It's 91. Oh, it isn't. It's Andre. No. Come on. Yes, hey. Oh. Yes, hey. No, I don't want an icon. I wasn't even an icon. Vardy. Oh. All I need is a Messi. Oh, that was a Messi, that was. Gomez. Oh no. Oh, this is gonna be shite. Belgium. Oh, I thought it'd been team of season De Bruyne there. So it's been 87 minutes. Oh man. Oh, that's the Nod. Jack Poo. I'm draining now. Nice to know. Right, this is gonna be another 4 or 5, and then I'm done. I've got 96 Neymar, but it's not 98. There's about 60. There was only 6 of Open League. 54. Or it could be more actually. I don't know if it was 60 or 65, I can't remember. I've opened like all of them nearly. And just got shite. Just shite. Nice, whatever.
State of survival. Play now.
May as well just open the rest of them. Oh wait, it's a 1 or 2 o'clock to get the 98 team of the season and back on 90. Well, anything over 97 years, because they've all been stinkers basically. Got a few decent ones, a few 95s, I've got 96 and 1 or 2 97. So yeah.
State of survival. Clean out.
One more, hurry. Nose back. Oh, it won't load up, watch. Come on. Yes, come on. Argentina. Oh, no, it isn't. I thought it was there. No. The one Darren Waller, man. Let's see what this is. Oh, 96 or 97 is right. Oh, Battenberg or something. Lundberg. Right, that's enough. I can't buy it anymore. What's my duplicate so far? If it loads up. Only 400, right. That's it then. See yous.